I'm Rudy Wobito, and we're going to be cutting 2 Zultanite snowflakes today. Well, Zultanite rough is always very included, so what we're looking for is pieces that are as clean as possible. We look inside the crystals and try to find nice, clean, clear sections. Sometimes there are cleavage planes we need to avoid, or large cracks and inclusions. The most challenging part about selecting Zultanite rough is to find pieces that are actually clean. There are so many inclusions inside each crystal, it's amazing. Very few of them are completely usable for cutting a gemstone. This piece is perfect because there are 2 nice clear sections. I think this piece is the one. We should be able to get 2 beautiful snowflakes from it. Slicing is done on a saw with a thin copper blade that is coated with diamond dust. When slicing a gemstone, you can do more damage with a saw than with any other piece of equipment. So the sawing is successful. The next step is grinding and preforming. Preforming is shaping of the piece of rough into something that's closer to the finished gem that you want to create. It's important because it saves time when cutting fasts, and it also allows you to become more accurate. Gems are preformed with grinding wheels that are coated with diamond dust. Once a gem has been preformed, the next step is to dop it and shape it. A dop stick is a small metal holder that we attach the stone to so that we can properly shape and finish the stone. It's important to not overheat the stone because this could crack it. Once the stone is on the dop stick, we move to the shape. When we're shaping a stone, we take the preform that is on the dop stick and give it its finished size and shape. The next step is to start cutting the facets. Faceting involves cutting a series of flat surfaces on a gemstone which reflect light in a very specific pattern. Once the stone is fully faceted, we have to polish each facet. When a stone is faceted, the surface is not perfectly shiny. It's very smooth and flat, but it's not shiny. So the polishing process makes the surface perfect. Now that the stone is completely faceted and polished, we have to turn it into a snowflake. This is done by cutting a series of 18 grooves and points onto the side of the stone. The grooving is done with a specially shaped diamond grinding wheel. We cut a series of 18 grooves and points at various depths and angles into the side of the stone to give it the snowflake effect. And the final steps are to clean and weigh the stones. The 2 stones are finished, so now we're going to weigh them. First one weighs 3.34 carats. And now the larger one. 4.62 carats. They look gorgeous, just as I expected they would.